Good morning, friends. This is Mamo. I'm going to be making a vintage pinto bean pie. Follow along with me if you wish. In my mixing bowl, I have 1.5 stick of butter, or you can use margarine. I'm using Bluebonnet margarine. And 1 cup of sugar. And I've got 1 cup of pinto beans that I had put through my little food processor to chop them up a little bit. Or you can leave them whole if you want to. I just prefer them to be chopped up. This is an old recipe. People back in like my grandparents' days made stuff like this, but not so much anymore. But I still like the older recipes. And some salt. 1/2 cup of nuts. You can use walnuts or pecans. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 2 eggs. I cooked beans yesterday and I had, I don't know, a few left. So I decided to do some recipes that call for pinto beans. So we're going to give this a mix-a-rooney. I've got my oven set at 350, and I put just a regular pie crust in there. And when I say regular, it's not deep dish, it's just a regular pie crust. And I baked it for 10 minutes. Now we're going to give this a good mix-a-rooney. Make sure everything is getting along. You can add coconut if you want to, but I'm out of coconut. And now I'm going to pour it in my pie shell. Sorry about that. I'm going to set this on a baking sheet in the oven 350 for 45 minutes. Look what I got today, my baby girl. They're not having school in the county because of the high waters has messed up the roads. So I'll be right back. And here you have it, fresh out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool, and then I'll slice a piece out for you. The nuts floated to the top, which that's okay. It kind of reminds me of pecan pie, but we'll see. And now, it's still warm, but I'm going to try to get a piece out. We'll see. I don't think it's going to come out good yet. It needs to be cold. Yeah, not bad. This texture is, I don't know, it just reminds me of a pecan pie. tastes like a pecan pie. It's really good. I've never made one, but my grandparents, you know, like I say, they didn't throw out no leftovers, so pinto beans and white beans, potato cakes, and I've still got some beans I'm going to use in recipes from my beans I cooked yesterday. So, quote of the day: the weak can never forgive. Forgiveness comes from the strong. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.